Search for product jobs right now and you'll find two titles that look identical, pay almost exactly the same, but require totally different daily habits. One day you're a product manager, the next you're told you're a product owner. Is it a promotion, a demotion, or just a corporate identity crisis? Today, we're ending the confusion. We'll break down the strategy versus the execution and the feature factory trap you need to avoid. Let's dive in. Let's start with the big picture, strategy versus execution. The easiest way to think about this is outward versus inward. First, let's look at the product manager, the why and what. The product manager focuses on the long-term vision, market positioning, and the overall success of the product. They're asking, what problem are we solving and why does it matter for the business? This includes strategy and vision, responsible for the high-level roadmap and ensuring the product aligns with business goals. Market intelligence conducts market research and identifies customer pain points and new market opportunities to keep the product competitive. Cross-functional leadership collaborates with multiple departments, including design, engineering, and marketing, to ensure the product meets customer needs. Customer discovery, deeply involved in defining user personas and understanding the target audience's aspirations and challenge. Now for the product owner, the how and when. The product owner is a specific role within the Scrum framework focused on the tactical execution and team-level delivery. They're asking, how do we build this solution efficiently, and what should the team work on next? This includes backlog management, owns the product backlog, which includes creating, managing, and prioritizing features for the development team. Tactical execution works daily with the development team to ensure they understand specific requirements and are working on the most valuable items. Feedback loop. Responsible for gathering customer feedback and incorporating it directly into the development cycle. User stories translates high-level requirements into actionable user stories. It's important to realize that in a healthy organization, it's not a hierarchy, it's a partnership. The PM brings the market truth, what the world wants. The PO brings the product truth, how the current build is evolving. The engineering lead brings the technical truth, what is actually possible to build. If the PM and PO don't talk, the triangle breaks. The PM promises a flying car, and the PO tries to build it using bicycle parts because they weren't aligned on the why versus the how. This brings us to a major industry pitfall: the feature factory. This happens when the PO is so focused on velocity and clearing tickets that they forget to ask if the features actually add value. If your PO is just a ticket taker for the PM, you're just churning out code for the sake of it. A great PO should be able to push back on a PM and say, I hear the vision, but this specific user story is going to break our UX. Without that healthy tension, you're just building a very expensive door to nowhere. So here's the plot twist. It's about the framework. Here's the part people miss. Product manager is a job title. Product owner is a role within the Scrum framework. In many startups, one person does both. You're the PM on Monday morning when talking to the board, and you're the PO on Tuesday morning during the daily stand-up. It's only when companies get massive, think Google or Spotify, that they split these into two separate people. Let's talk money. Generally, product managers tend to earn slightly more because their scope is broader and includes business P&L, profit and loss responsibility. However, a senior PO at a major tech firm can easily out-earn a junior PM. Project managers. Typical career path leads to Chief Product Officer, the CPO. Product owners. Typical career path leads to transitioning into PM or Agile coaching. Which one is for you? Choose product manager if you love big picture thinking, strategy, and talking to customers. Choose product owner if you love the how, enjoy working closely with developers, and get a dopamine hit from a perfectly organized backlog. The reality? Titles vary by company. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. It helps the algorithm more than a well-groomed backlog helps a sprint.